Hi! Now, I'm sure you have learned how to solve the previous question, how many squares can be cut out from the cardboard. So follow me on how to learn this question on how many triangles can be cut from the cardboard. Follow me. Let's take a look at this question. How many triangles can be cut from the cardboard? So do the same thing. Let's take the length, 17 centimeters, divide by the base of the triangle, which is 3 centimeters. And you can see we get 5, remainder 2 cm. And now we take the breadth of 7 centimeters, divide by the height of the triangle, which is 2 centimeters, which tells us that we can cut out 3 layers of triangles with a 1 centimeter remainder at the bottom. So take 5 times 3, they will get 15. But 15 what? So let us draw this to find out. So see that I'm cutting it up, and there you go. We get lots of rectangles. So these are 15 rectangles, and take note the question asks for triangles, which means that we have to take every rectangle and half it, and there you go, 15 times 2, 30 triangles. That's the answer. Hope you learned something today.